Hello everybody, my name is Cheryl, and now that I'm a part of the Pop On Veneer family, I would like to share my experience. I just got my veneers a couple of days ago, and I am super excited. As you can see, I have some missing teeth. A few years ago, I had some partials, but they were really uncomfortable and painful. So I had some more teeth pulled, and I found myself looking for some dental work. I didn't want no partials anymore. Implants was kind of expensive, and I found the Pop On Veneers. I checked to see was I a candidate, and I was. And so here I am. So I want to show you guys what comes in the box. I got my veneers, of course. Well, they came in a bag, but I put them in a little thing, and it's pretty cool. With the little mirror, and here's my veneers. I got some cleaning tablets. I have the impressions. And I have a toothbrush and the instructions on how to use everything. So, as you can see, my teeth are stained, and I don't have the smile that I wanted. I was self-conscious about my smile. I always covered my mouth with my hands when I talked. And I work with the public, so I needed a quick fix. And Pop On Veneers won. So, here we go. Let me try them. Okay, these are the bottoms. Okay, let me pop them in. See the difference? Okay, and here go the top. Oh, wow. See, guys? I absolutely love my smile. I wanted to say that you have to get comfortable with them. I had a slight lisp, but, you know, I'm practicing and it's getting better. I've had so many compliments. I only had them for a couple of days. The Pop On whole team from beginning to the end was really awesome. They were patient with me. Any questions that I had, they answered them in a timely manner. And I'm just one happy camper. And they're affordable. They have different payment options. So if you are considering, look into it. This is a great investment. Every dime was worth it. And I want to thank you, Pop On Veneers, for giving me my smile back. I feel confident. I'm just happy. And that's it. That's all. I just wanted to share my experience. But Pop On Veneers, you guys rock. Thank you. Have a good day.